Okay, let's start. Only 6 students now. Okay, so last class, remember, we finished the first page. Okay, happiest fruits. Today, I'm going to show you the second part. Okay, so second part is basically like this, because the first part we use the table. Okay, so but again, it is there up to you. You can make this one and the first part also, no problem. It is your choice, because I'm just showing you, we're going to have a 3 parts. Okay, over the 3 parts, we are going to use everything we learn. Okay, you can mix around, no problem. Because and here, this title, okay, I choose the mark you to move it from here. But you can put this one in the first page. Okay, the happiest fruit. The first page also you can put it there. Okay, you don't have to put in here. So you can design your choice. Okay, because I'm just showing you all the 3 parts. We are going to include everything what we learn. Okay, for the project. Then you can mix around. Okay, so this is just, I just want you to have here. So when you look at it, this second part, okay, we have a heading, we already know, and then we also put the color of the heading. This is also with the same part. Okay, and then also we have we added here for mark you. Mark you means they're moving from here. Okay, and then we use the list here. Mostly in this page, we use the list. The list is for this is unordered list with a dot, dot, dot. And then this is a 1, 2, 3 is there. This is for the order list. Okay, so and here again, okay, we have for example, like I put here also just the bold and the color also I put it and then underline. This is all we learned it before. And here I use the order list here. Then here, this is like, for example, if you want to know more about the happiest fruits, okay, you can get the information at the below links. So I gave the 2 external links here. You can click to the Google and you can click to the YouTube. And here, okay, I want to show you today this one, happiest fruits, because the reason I ask you to make the 3 pages is that you have to link between the 3 pages. Now this is your second page. From second page, if you click this one, it is going to go to the first page now. Now I will show you here. When I click this one, this page is going to change to the first page that we make it. Okay, look at here. I will click this one. And then see, this is linking to the first page. This is the things. That's why I make you to make the 3. I want you to make the 3 pages. Because last class, one student asked me why we not make only 1 page. Because you have to know that the website, when you are really going to create the website, you don't create only 1 page. You have to create like 100 pages. Then between the 100 pages, you have to link between the pages. Okay. So that's why the reason is that I'm asking you to change. Now see, well, from the second page, I link to the first page here. Okay, so this is the thing. So, and here also I have here, look at here, I have only 2 pages here. This is the first page and then this is the second page. Then I open the second page, and then from the second page, when I click the link for the healthiest food, the first page is linked there. So when I go back here, this is, the click to go back, then it is going back to my second page. And then when I do this one, and then it is going back to this one. This is the how you play the website, how you design the website. Okay, so that's why. Okay, so from the first page also you can link to the second page. So that's why I want you to make the 3 pages. Then I will show you how to link between these 3 pages. Okay, but now only I'm showing you linking between the from the second page to the first page here. Then you already know here, I think from the Google also you can link. Okay, so when you click here, this page will be changed to the Google. This is like external one. Okay, and then after that, go back here, and when you click the YouTube here, okay, it is going to the YouTube link. So this is the things. Okay, so how you can link between the internal and external. Okay, yes, somebody is asking the questions. Which page? The same page. The same page means that you are going to make the same page, which means that you are just going to make the 1 notepad. Now you have to make the 3 notepad. Okay, so this is the second page here. The second page, I'm making this one. The 1 page means that you just copy everything this one and then put it in the first page. So it is going to be the 1 page there. Okay, so to make the 1 page is that you are going to change everything this one and then put it there. Okay, I will show you now. If you want to make it there, one page for these things. I just copy this one. Okay, so for the first page, I will, where is the first page here? This is my first page. Okay, I will open with a notepad. Okay, and here, after the table, these are all my table design. Then I'm going to add inside here. Okay, I'm going to add everything in the here. Just add it before the body is closed. You can add it here. Now I'm going to add here. So this is like that you are adding 2 pages into the one. So now I'm going to save here, file, save as. Okay, I will give the new name here, not the fruits. Maybe I will put it like fruits combine, C-O-M-B-I-N-E-D, combine. I give the new name .html. Okay, and save. Okay, so when we are going to open this here, I have here fruits combine. So which means that I'm combining 2 parts. Okay, so table and the list I'm combining into the one. So when I open this, see, this is the, wow. Why it is coming fast here? The table is going down. Maybe something is wrong. So no problem. Let's see what it is wrong here. Where did I put it? Why the fruits was in the first? We don't have the fruits at the first. Healthiest fruits on the one. Why it is like this? Supposed to be it is, did I close something? Or before the table? Where is the table here? I think I have to close the table here. Center. This one I didn't close the table. Just wait for a while. Close table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Okay, let's see. File, save, refresh. Okay, now this is the things. Okay, so this is the happiest fruits. This is the first page. Remember, we designed last time the first page. Then after that, this is the second page here. Okay, so but remember that why we have in the middle here, maybe I put the center there. So that's why the center is there. So you just go and adjust here, the center. Maybe why I have a center here. Maybe I have to close the center here. Center is already closed, but why it is there? Did I put any center here? I don't think so. I have a center here. Okay. We have a center here, heading. Heading is only the center. And then after that, where is the table? Table is a center here, close. And then after that, you already closed the center here. And your center. You already closed the center. And here, we don't have any center. So why it is like this? We don't have any center here. Okay, so it should then be like this. Supposed to be okay. File, save, and refresh again. This is something wrong here. Supposed to be in this side. I don't know why it is in the middle like this, because I put the table center. This is okay. But why other thing is in the center? Because I already closed the center here. Let me do it this one. Sometimes it makes the problem also. No problem. Let me close the center here. Okay. So sometimes this like coding is really give us the problem, but try to adjust it, no problem. So now this is the table is no more center, and this is also no more center. But just now I just put the table center in there. Why this has to be in the center? I don't know. So this is the first page, and then this is the second page. Okay, so we are combining these things now. Okay, so now this is called the thing. So one of the students want to make everything together here. And then even the form, she wants to put it here. Okay, so these are the things that, but you have to know that when you are really going to create the things, you are not going to make only one page and then one website. There will be many. As I say that if you have a bigger, like Seoul University College, they have like 100 of pages, and then between the 100 of pages, you have to link together there. Okay, so now let's try to put back there this table in the middle now. I will try to change now. I hope this time is no problem. Where is after the bold, better. Okay, let me put here this thing, center. C-E-N-T-E-R, center, open. And then I want to close the center here. This is a table, border, table. And then after that, oh, okay, maybe after table I have to close. Okay, let's see after table. Maybe I will close it here. Okay, after table, I will close. Now go and save. File, save, and go and refresh here. I hope this is okay now. This is a table is middle. And okay, now this is okay now. So which means that I have to close after the tables. Okay, so this is how you combine the two pages. Okay, but as I say there, it is better to make it there 2 pages because we are going to link from each page to each page. Okay, is it okay? Yes, after the table, yes. Okay, so this is the C. Just now I have a problem because I closed the center before the table. Okay, so but now if this is the table, before the table start, I open the center. So after the table close, then I close the center. So that's why the table will be in the center. Here, see, the table, before the table start, I open the center. Okay, then after the table is closed, then only then I have to close the center. Okay, so that the table will be in the center. Is it okay, students? Right? So this is like combining everything. So whatever we learn here, we learn the paragraph, we learn the heading, we learn the table, we learn the list, and we learn the link, and so on. Okay, so this is how you can design these things. Okay, so just now I show you here, from here, second page, we can link to the first page also here. So that's why the reason I want you to make is that we are going to link between the pages. Okay, so that's why I want you to make the 3 pages. Okay, so today I just simply want to show this thing because I don't want you to rush it because I have only the last part. Okay, for the paragraph. Okay, you already know that we have only the paragraph left. Okay, so you can do design there for the paragraph. Not the paragraph, the form. The form is that you are going to ask the visitor, okay, to ask whether do you like my website? Okay, so what is your name, or what is, how old are you, and what is your gender? Just like the small, okay. I know you want to copy it. Don't worry, this one. This is the, not the combined one, this one. Okay. So the first part is that you already know. Okay, so if you want to copy it, this one. Okay, then I will upload the YouTube link also, inshallah. Okay, then this is finished. Can I go down now? Okay, I will go down. Huh? I hope everybody finished the first part. Now I will go down. Okay, this is the second part. Okay, you can take the pictures if you want it. Okay. Okay, I hope this is finished. Okay, so and then here the main point is here, the link. When you look at the link here, these are the 3 links. Okay, the first link to show us you have to put the website address because it is linking to the Google, www.google.com. The second one also you have to give the website address, www.youtube.com. This is a YouTube linking. The last one is not the link. The last one is linking to your web page. So that's why remember. Okay, your web page is the healthiestfruits.html. This is the name that we have given. Remember, this is the name that we have given. See, healthiestfruits.html. This is the HTML. We save with the HTMLs. The name is the healthiest fruits. So that's why you have to take this name and then .html you have to take. So this allow you to link between your web pages, the web pages that you created between your website. Okay, so that's why this allow you here. This is the things here. See, healthiestfruits.html. This is the first web page that we make it. Okay, and then I give the name. This name is appear, Healthiest Fruits. Okay, you can give any name. This name is the link, and then this thing. Only this one is going to be appear in the website. So this is the things. These are linking to the external website. You can even link to the Google also. So I have given this one also, one of the line, okay, just for the design purpose. Okay, so that after the Google, they will give one line here. After the Google, they will give one stroke here. Okay, so this is, I think, before the, I mean, enter. This is called the straight line. I make it. Okay, so when you look at the here, it is the design like this. See, and this web page here. After the Google, I put like this. After the YouTube, I put like this. So it makes just linking here. Okay, you can make it this one in the middle also if you want to make it better look or something like this also. You can put this part in the center. It is up to you. I hope you already know these small changes. Okay, so we don't have much things left. Okay, so next class, I mean the last page, when we are going to design the form, I want to add some of the property from CSS. You know, when we create the CSS, we learn how we can put the border color, how we can highlight the, highlight the text. Okay, for example, like add the background color. Okay, background color of the form. Okay, so this and that we will edit. Okay, and then also I want to edit the background image. Okay, not very complicated image, maybe just a simple image called maybe the cloud or something like this, because we add here from the first page and second page, we have only background color. But for the form design, I want to add the background image because I want to include everything, whatever we learn. Okay, so that it will be complete for you. Okay, and then it is like, it is, look nice, whatever we learn, we are okay, making the project, including everything, inshallah. So next week will be the last week. Okay, so again, as I say that, student, you can work together. Please work from me now. We have 3 parts only. 2 part is finished already. Okay, again, okay, so you work together. For example, if 3 students are working together, so you can change. Only that you have a design, then maybe you can change the name, the pictures, and so on. Some of the information, just change it. When you have a design, very easy to change, inshallah. Okay, so I hope it is okay. Okay, any questions, students? I just want to cover this one because since we have only last part is left. Okay, because I don't want to take your time also. Okay, so if you have no question, let's stop it here, right? Inshallah. Okay, okay, you may leave. Okay, so please, for those who have a computer, and then for those who don't, yeah, you send something to the WhatsApp. Okay, let's wait for a while. Let me check it. Oh, the students are asking about their project for e-commerce and one, but it is better if you make it for those who are taking 2, change a little bit, because that it is, I have to submit it for the, for example, like the same, not the same page. For example, if you want to put it there in the web development, the first page is the table, then e-commerce put the first page, the second page as a table, something like this. Try to change a little bit, okay? Because if exactly the same is not good. Okay, exactly the same is not good. Is it okay? You asked about that, right? Did you ask anything? You asked about that, right? Please try to change a little bit. Okay, because if exactly the same is, because I have to record everything. I have to submit your paper, your exam, this and that. But sometimes if they catch the exactly the same, it is not good. That's why I told some students also the same subjects, web development, you can work together with the friends. If possible, actually, I want to collect for the group project, but you have to know the web development and the e-commerce. You have a practical, okay? This is the practical subjects. So usually when you have to come to the class, we give the practical test within the 1 hour for the 10 marks, okay? But I know that we understand nowadays, I mean, the online learning, not all the students have a laptop. So we cannot force them. Maybe I don't know some teacher force or not, but I don't want to force the students that you must do the lab test within the 1 hour. I don't want to force, okay? Because now you have to use the laptop. Not all the students have laptop. So that's why I gave this one. According to the rules, I have to give the lab test for 10 marks for the both web development and e-commerce. But I don't want to force you. So that's why I gave you as a project. So you can do it now. So that's why that means that all the students have to submit individually. This is like the test, like a midterm test, lab test, the same things. Okay, so that's why I asked them. But I gave the chance to you to make it easy, work together, but please change something so that I can say that the different students do different things. Okay, so it is safe side for me and then safe side for you also. I hope you understand, right? Okay. Any more questions? If you have no questions, let's stop it here, inshallah. Is it okay? Any questions, students? Okay, so okay, let's stop. Okay, thank you, inshallah. Okay, try to do it if possible. We have only the last part left, inshallah, next week. Okay, see you next week, inshallah. Take care. Happy weekend.